everybody, welcome to another episode of LT Outdoors. Today Uncle Dale and I decided to head out on VanEtten Lake, and it's last ice. We only got, I'd say, a week, maybe 2 weeks possibly. That'd be pushing it, but yeah, the ice has got down. There's, I don't know, about 8 inches right now of good ice, but it's getting honeycombed on the top, which is not good. So it should start probably going away here quick, especially the shore ice. That's always the first to go, and once that goes, you can't get on the ice. So yeah, pretty soon we're going to be done ice fishing. I got to hit it while I can. But hope you guys enjoy this episode. We caught some really nice fish. Oh, bobber. Feel like a good one? Oh, yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
This is why we do this, folks. Later in the season like this, you can really pick up on the big perch. Oh, oh, that's a big fish. That's a real big fish. Wow. That's heavy, Dale.
Yeah. I could tell the rod didn't even come all the way up.
Oh, this is that bad reel, too.
I don't know. Getting close or still quite
I don't know. There ain't no way to tell. I think he's quite a ways out, though. He ain't tired. It's not fighting like a pike. God. That about pulled the rod out of my hand. Yeah, don't put your hand in the hole. We don't need to worry about that slush. Holy cow. Bubbles.
on the bottom.
Oh, man. It's a pike.
Oh,
yeah.
that's a big pike. Oh, you don't want nothing to do with that. That's what's been steering the perch. Yeah.
I'll get down and grab it, Dale. It's in the 30s for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh.
Come on, poke your head up here. Oh, he's down there.
I wonder if it's the same one that just broke me off.
Oh, should be able to tell. There's no hooking.
Oh my gosh, that's a big fish. That might be my biggest of the year. That head is huge.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that water bounce.
Yeah.
I love how it does that with big fish.
There's the tails and the fins and stuff. That's really good.
Oh my gosh. Well, kind of upset, guys. The darn thing stopped recording. But I wanted to show you. This is what we were fighting. Yep, managed to get this big guy through the hole. That is a big pike. Big pike, folks. I'd say he's at least a 30. So, yeah, very nice. Alright, everybody, I'm going to show you me doing something that you haven't seen me do before. Big old 32-inch pike. I'm going to put her back down the hole. See you later, baby. Getting time to spawn. I know she's full of eggs, so we're going to let her get bigger. Yeah. Not a big one, but it's a keeper nonetheless. Guts are ripped out too. She's spinning a little. Another perch. Hey. Another one swallowed it. That's alright, I'll eat it. Ooh, what do you got there?
Pike.
Oh, buddy.
I want to pull lines inside there.
I don't know, I think we'll be alright. Yeah. Because they usually do more around the area than they do running off to the sides. Yeah, that's gonna be a good fish.
Yeah.
I didn't realize he was so close.
There's a little one. That's gotta be a male.
Yeah, if he's 24, I'll take him. He looks like it. Unless you want him. Cool.
All right.
Get a picture of you with him.
Around.
Ooh. Yeah. 7.5 anyway. Good. Smaller. Smallest one yet. Ooh, that's a good fish. That feels like a big perch. Oh, yeah. That's what I want. That's a monster. I swallowed the hook too. These are all, I'm just using my homemade harnesses here. Perch harness with a little hook, a little circle hook, and a minnow. Yeah, he's got it swallowed bad. Might have to get pliers to get that one out. Broke it. Yeah, it might be. No. Probably a 7 anyway. Something. Oh. A little one. Yeah. Well, at least I know they can lift that bobber.
Yeah.
He has another minnow in his mouth too. Yep. He's on there, buddy. I heard your drag screaming. Yeah, that's a beauty.
Yeah. Got ways to go.
Yeah, wear him out. It's a big one. Definitely ain't gonna get him in quick. Take your time. What are you doing?
The bobber's right here. I thought the bobber's hooked or something.
Oh, I hope he ain't around that log.
Oh, he could be.
I didn't even think of that. It ain't the camera. Let him, just open the bail for a second. Open the bail for a second, Dale. Otherwise, you're just gonna risk getting your hook in there.
I say it wasn't moving at all, so.
Oh, feels like a better fish there. Oh, yeah, baby. Is she spinning? Nope.
What's up, man?
Yep, another good one. Cool. I got another probably 12-incher there. Look at it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm riding this shit.
Yeah.
Oh, I see this flag go up and then you run out and get the rod.
Yeah, I heard jing, 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 jing. Yeah, that's a nice, probably 9-10-incher there, and then, yeah, that's got to be another 12. That's just awesome. Must be coming through. Yeah. Oh, I was hoping to leave that going.
Here, bring a minnow up for you.
Thanks. No. Perch. Feels like a good one. No. About a 7. Yeah. Wow. It's a male and he's already sperming. Yeah. He's still there. Oh, yeah, baby. Another beauty. He's been bit too. Yeah. Yep, he's all chewed up. Sweet.